Good morning students. This is your science teacher Pandini. I am making this video for 3rd class students. Today we will going to discuss second chapter, parts of the plant. So in this chapter we learn parts of a plant and their parts like roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds, and germination of a seed. So basically we learn the process of germination of seed and all the various parts of the plant. So let's begin the chapter. Parts of the plant. As we all know that we have in our body different parts like hand, leg, head, fingers, toe, right? So they perform their own function. They perform their own function. Similarly, plants also have their different parts and they also perform their different functions. So now we discuss that plants have two main parts. First is root and second is shoot. The part that grows below the ground, that is root. We can't see underground it. And shoot is the part that grows above the ground. So it is the part that we can see. So in including in this, we can see stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruit. So basically there is a two part, that is root and shoot. Root under the ground grow करता है and shoot above the ground, right? Now we can see in this picture the various parts of our plant, that is flower, fruit, stem, leaf, root. Okay. As we know that roots grow below the ground and they keep the plant firmly fixed to the soil. Roots take in water and minerals from the soil. So basically roots का क्या काम है, वो मिट्टी को पकड़ के रखता है और क्या गेन करता है, मिनरल्स एंड वाटर फ्रॉम द सॉइल. सो बेसिकली रूट हैव टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज टैप रूट एंड सेकंड इज फाइब्रस रूट. टैप रूट इज लाइक अ थिक टैपरिंग रूट. ओके, थिक मीन्स मोटाई. उस टैप रूट कैसा होता है, मोटा होता है और उसकी एक ही जड़ होती है एंड साइड से स्मॉल से जड़ निकले हुए होते हैं. ओके, सो मेनी स्मॉल रूट्स ग्रो फ्रॉम द मेन रूट. सो सम प्लांट्स विथ अ टैप रूट्स आर एग्जांपल beans, mustard, hibiscus. Okay, a fibrous root has many thread like roots. ये कैसा दिखने में होता है, थ्रेड जैसा दिखने में होता है और ग्रोइंग फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट, ये एक पॉइंट से ग्रो करता है, किसी भी पॉइंट से ग्रो कर सकता है. ओके, यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो देयर इज अ फाइब्रस रूट and the lower end of the stem. So fibrous root do not go very deep into the soil. Okay, बहुत डीप गहराई तक नहीं जाता है, लेकिन टैप रूट बहुत ही गहराई तक जाता है. In fibrous root there are example grass, rice, wheat, onion, and these are fibrous root. Some plants such as carrot, turnip, mooli, beetroot, etc. store their extra food in their roots and we eat some of these roots like carrot, turnip, mooli. You know, they are what? They are roots and we also eat the roots. Now we come to the stem. The stem grows above the ground as we all know. It is the main part of the shoot and all branches grow from the stem. Leaves, flowers, fruits grow on the branches, as we all know that, right? So different plants have different kind of stems. So trees have strong and thick stems and we call trunk. You can see in this picture also there is a strong trunk. We can also say that these are the stems. Shrubs have hard and woody stems. Shrubs had hard and woody stems. Herbs have soft and green stems. Climber stem is so weak and cannot stand up on its own. It needs to support. A creeper's stem is also weak and it grows along the ground. Okay, for like watermelon, money plant. Okay, these are weak plants. Now we come to the next part, that is stem has the following four main functions. Okay, stem has following how many functions? Four main functions. So first is it hold the plant upright. प्लांट को क्या करता है? होल्ड करके रखता है अपवर्ड की तरफ. It helps the water and minerals absorbed by the roots to reach the leaves. So स्टेम का क्या काम होता है? वो पानी को एब्जॉर्ब करता है और मिनरल्स को एब्जॉर्ब करता है और उसको पूरे प्लांट में पहुंचाता है. Similarly, the food made by leaves also travel through branches and stems to all part of the plant. Some stems have surplus food stored in them, like sugar cane, ginger, potato, and such stems. So we eat stems like ginger, potato, and sugar cane, right? Now there is an experiment. Take a jar of colored water, a few white flowers with stems, dip the stems in the jar, and after that sometime you will see the flower color is changed. The color of flower is turned into pink color. Okay, so it shows that stems transfer the water into the whole plant. Leaf is the very important part of the plant because a leaf has a chlorophyll and it's helped to make the food for the whole plant. So most leaves are green as they have chlorophyll in them, and green leaves make food for the plants with the help of air, water and sunlight, and this process is called photosynthesis. So water and minerals absorbed by root reach a leaf through the stem and branches. Now parts of a leaf. So the very broad flat part of the leaf, that is lamina, and we can see in this picture also there is a mid vein and side vein attached to the mid vein, and there is a stomata. Stomata is a hole, is a tiny hole which breathe for the whole plant and make food. And food made by the leaf travel through veins, branches and stems to all parts of the plant. As food is made in a leaf is called food factory. Okay. Now stomata are tiny holes on the underside of a leaf. Plants use stomata for breathing. Extra water evaporates through stomata. As I earlier told you that stomata breathes. Okay, सांस लेते हैं स्टोमेटा और इससे ही जो वाटर है वो भी बाहर आता है. So they also evaporates. Like all living things, plants also breathe all the time. जिस तरह से और भी सारे लिविंग थिंग्स ब्रीथ करते हैं एनी टाइम, वैसे ही प्लांट्स भी ब्रीथ करते हैं. एंड दे टेक इन ऑक्सीजन एंड गिव आउट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हम क्या करते हैं? ऑक्सीजन गेन करते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज करते हैं. बट प्लांट्स टू ड्यूरिंग द डे फॉर producing food, plants take a carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Always remember, plants do opposite, okay, in day, right? So during daytime, both intake, the output of a carbon dioxide takes place, former for photosynthesis and later for breathing. Some plants store their extra food in leaves, so we often eat such leaves like cabbage, methi and spinach. Okay. Now This is the most beautiful and tasty part of the plant, that is flower, fruits and seeds. So flower are very beautiful and colorful part of the plant, as we all know that. Some of them have a pleasant smell, right? And flowers help the plants to reproduce. More flowers turn into fruits. Okay. So like apple flower, रॉ एप्पल, राइप एप्पल, पहले वो फ्लावर होता है, फिर वो एप्पल बनता है, एप्पल बनने के बाद वो एप्पल पक जाता है, इसके बाद हम खाते हैं और सीड्स को फिर से बोते हैं ताकि वो दोबारा से एक प्लांट को ग्रो करे. सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ फ्लावर. सो फ्रूट्स हैव सीड इन देम. फ्रूट्स के पास क्या होता है? सीड्स होता है. एंड दीज सीड्स ग्रो इनटू न्यू प्लांट. यही क्या करते हैं? दूसरे प्लांट को ग्रो करते हैं. Some fruits have a single seed like mango, apricot and palm. So these fruits have one seed only, right? So you can see in this there are lots of examples of many seeds and one seed. So mango and apricot have one seed. And apple, watermelon, papaya have lots of seed in them. We also eat seeds, so we call that edible seeds. For example, grams, peas, wheat, rice, beans. Okay. Now we come to each seed can grow into a new plant. हर एक जो सीड होता है वो ग्रो करता है, एक दूसरे प्लांट में कन्वर्ट होता है, नए प्लांट में कन्वर्ट होता है. So a seed needs air, water, warmth to grow into a baby plant. एक सीड को ग्रो करने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? वाटर चाहिए, एयर चाहिए एंड सनलाइट चाहिए, तभी वो एक प्लांट बनेगा, पौधा बनेगा. सो सीड्स हैव मोर फूड स्टोर इन देम. वो पहले से ही अपने सीड में उनका खाना प्रेजेंट होता है, कुछ स्टोर्ड होता है. एंड द फर्स्ट बेबी प्लांट यूजेज दिस फूड. वो अपने फूड को पहले यूज़ करते हैं. जब वो ख़त्म हो जाता है तो वो बाहर से फूड बनाना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. सो इट स्टार्ट्स मेकिंग इट्स ओन फूड एंड ग्रोथ अ सीड इनटू अ बेबी प्लांट इज कॉल्ड जर्मिनेशन ऑफ अ सीड. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? जर्मिनेशन बोलते हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क टू लर्न ऑल द हार्ड वर्ड मीनिंग्स. नाउ वी डिस्कस द वन और टू वर्ड्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग. Okay, so the roots having many thread like small root, earlier we discussed this, that is fibrous root. The part of the ginger plant we eat, that is stem. That is what? That is stem. Okay, the next is plants that required support, that is watermelon plant and money plant. Okay, they are very weak plant, so they need support. Okay, now the next is beautiful and colorful part of the plant, that is flower. As we all know that the root present in hibiscus, that is taproot. Which root? Taproot. Now let us discuss question answers. First is short question answers. So what are the main parts of a plant? So main parts of a plant are root and shoot, right? So these are two main parts of plant, that is root and shoot. Why leaves green? So most leaves are green as they have chlorophyll in them. So what is the functions of stomata? Plants use stomata for breathing and extra water evaporates through stomata. What is the function of flowers? Flowers help the plant to reproduce. What are edible seeds? We eat some seeds, they are called edible seeds. What is germination? The growth of a seed into a baby plant is called germination. Now in long question answer, there is a question to draw the label diagram of parts of plant. So you can draw like this, right? Now the next question, what are the functions of roots and stems? So functions of the root and stems are follows, that roots help to fix the plant into the soil, and roots take in water and minerals from soil. And stems, all branches grows from the stem, leaves, flowers and fruits growing on the branches. How will you show that the stem can conduct water? By the experiment we can show that stem can conduct water. So experiment is what? Take a jar of colored water. As we earlier discussed also, a few flowers with stems, dip the stem into the jar, and after some time you will see the color of flower changes to that of the water. So we can say that the stem can conduct water. Okay. So name the two types of roots. As we all know that taproot and fibrous root. You can also make the picture. What is the functions of a leaf? So the leaves are responsible for making food for the whole plant to eat, and the leaves uses sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to make food. So which part of the plant contains seeds, and what purpose do seeds serve for the plant? So fruits have seeds in them. Fruits have what? Seeds in them, and the purpose to do seeds serve for the plant to grow or in a new plants. Okay. So this is the surprise part of your, that is homework. So do your homework in your notebook. Okay. I hope that you will learn something in this chapter. If you have any doubts, so please write your doubts and ask me when we meet in the class.